To show controls on your Galaxy Watch when you start playing media on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you have to enable the auto launch media control option on your watch. As the example, we will enable this option from the wearable app. To do so, go to the app screen, find wearable app, and then tap it. Tap watch setting. Next, scroll down the screen. Tap advanced features. Under media control section, tap the gray on option next to auto launch media controls until the switch turns blue to turn it on. With this setting, when you start playing audio or video on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, your Galaxy Watch will automatically show media control, so you can easily manage audio or video playback without opening the app. As the example, you can use this control to play, pause, skip track, or adjust volume directly from your watch screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.